Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to delete or repost. You have to click on your TikTok open and you go to your profile. So once you go to your profile, you have to click on those three horizontal lines right above your screen. So you click on that, and once you click on it, you click on settings and privacy. So once you click on that, you scroll all the way down to help center. So once you click on help center, you're going to scroll down to where you see posts, and you're going to see TikTok views history, and you're going to click on that. So once you click on that, you wait for it to load up, scroll down, and you're going to click on others can't see my newly uploaded videos right here. So once you click on that, you click on more, need more help, and you need to click on posts. So once you click on posts, you have to now send your ticket, which is this. So you're going to just type in where you say hello right here. This I just sent it, that's why I can't send another one. So you're going to send hello TikTok, saying please help me delete all my reposted videos. I no longer have interest in the video, thank you. And they're going to respond to you within 24 hours, and you're going to get the feedback afterwards. All your reposted videos will be deleted at once. So this is actually how to do it. So if you find this guide helpful, give the thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. That's my next video. Bye.